Hey everybody. All right, so the Stranger Things new pops came out today, and my Hot Topic got them all. First off, 801 Hopper Date Night. Oh, that's a mustache, I'll tell you what, right there. He's looking pretty fly. Now, I'm guessing he's meeting Joyce or wanting to meet Joyce. I'm sure you've all seen the previews where it looks like he's been stood up and then she's sitting on the couch. Come on. Right, 802. Eleven. And her pretty dope looking 80s clothes. So this one does come with a stand. She has her shopping bag. She's wearing some Pumas. Yeah, she's too legit to quit in this, I'll tell you what. $803 is Steve. There we go. And his work outfit. Ahoy ice cream. And this variant, he has on some blue sneakers. He's holding vanilla ice cream, it looks like. But who doesn't like vanilla ice cream? And let's see, he's got his little name tag. A little bit of a rough edge there on his hat with the paint. Don't want to mess with it. Looks like it would peel off. All right, so there's 3 variants of Dustin. 804. This is the camp. He's got the camp t-shirt on in this one. Camp Nowhere 85. Oh, it doesn't say. Yeah, it says 85. Let's see if I can get it to focus. So I'm going to focus on this. I was checking out the variants, and he has his watch on in all of them. The one I think it's Target's gonna get, he has a flashlight. It's cool striped socks. I'm a pretty big Stranger Things fan. So I was really excited about this set coming out. All right, not gonna lie, this one's my fave. Will the Wise 805. So there's gonna be a glow in the dark variant of this one. Wish they designed the box so that this little corner here doesn't get hung up on it. It'd be nice. So Will comes with the stand. I'm wondering if we're gonna see him in this. A little overlap on that paint. Walk tall and carry a big stick, Will. Oh, that one's really cool. I like that one. I'll try and score the glow in the dark one, but if not, at least I have that one. All right. 806 Max. Max seems to always have something on her head, and she's got 3 pops. One with the skateboard, one with the mask, the Michael Myers mask. Son of a bitch just dropped her. Hold on. And she's okay. That's really cool. She's got a little watch. Kind of looks like she might have some Vans on. I'm not really sure. I'd really like to get the one with the mask on, so if you have an extra one, hit me up. I might buy it from you. Apparently she's a lefty because her watch is on the right. She has her freckles. She's cool. I really like the sunglasses. That's really cool. All right, 807 Lucas. Oh, looks like I got one with a bit of a damaged lid. So he's got his trademark bandana on, camouflage bandana. It's really cool. Japanese, totally 80s. Coat. See if it'll focus. Maybe not. Sorry guys, I tried. Come on, focus, little camera. That's really cool. That was totally hot back in the 85. It's pretty sweet. $808. Ooh, Erica. Her lid came off easy. If they could all only do that. Erica comes with a stand as well. So she has on her helmet with the flashlights like we've seen in the trailers. She looks like she's crawling through some sort of duct. Nice. She has multicolors in her braids. I'm digging that. It's 80s, but I think it's kind of relative today, you know. Little girls like to have different colors in their braids. She has a looks like a little My Little Pony backpack. know if it'll focus on it. Well, I guess you'll just have to take my word for it. I'll probably put pictures on Instagram. She's knee pads, has on her little white sneakers. They look like they're Pumas as well. She's cute. She's sassy. All right, so from Erica at 808, it then jumps to 826 and 827. I'm not sure. I'm guessing Will the Wise is going to glow, the glow in the dark variant will have the same box number. Probably going to get us the crazy guy that we see in the trailers, the gun, Busey's kid. All right, so Battle 11. She comes with a stand as well. So she's still doing her thing where she covers up her eyes. We have the blood. We have her super cool t-shirt that totally, like when you shop at Banana Republic today, you wouldn't think that this is what Banana Republic used to sell when they first came out before Gap Inc. bought them. They used to sell total safari prints kind of stuff. That was really 80s. And so her stripe in her shoe this time is green. Yeah. Two-toned belt. That's really cool. I don't know why they have to put so many variants out of the same character. Like, you know, I bought 3 11s today. But I guess I do know it's all about the Benjamins. Alright, so this is the Hot Topic exclusive one. My GameStop got all of these too, but if you're going to hit the stores today, May 24th, the Memorial Day sales are already popping up. So they have their pops 3 for $25 at GameStop, or no, at Hot Topic, not at GameStop. GameStop doesn't have a sale. So this one, she has her ponytail, which we saw in the first one, in her Fly 80s jumpsuit. She had her ponytail holder, her elastic band on her wrist. So she's sporting some sweet high tops. Give it a second to focus. There you go. Now you can see her sweet high tops. Her jumper, or as we like to call it, a coat. It has a hoodie on the back, so it's a button-up hoodie. Kind of looks like a rain slicker. All right, people. There's the unboxing. Now go out and buy them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to show me some love with some thumbs up on this video. Be sure to click subscribe and that notification bell.